Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recharge the batteries of your DJI Mavic Mini. So first of all, from your original Mavic box you have to remove this power bank. You will find input for the 3 batteries. Here we have 2. The last one is inside our drone, and let's try to recharge it. So first we have to take off this plastic cover. As you can see, we can input, for example, our fingernail in this place and easily take it off. Then we have to press on this part, just like that. Take a look. Press, grab with the second finger and pull it. If you cannot remove it, just repeat and try to make it gently to don't break any of Mavic parts. And right now we can input this battery right here inside. As you can see, when we input, we will find the exact level of the batteries. So this one is out of the battery. Here we can find like 25% of the battery, and here it's above the 50%. If you want to check the battery percentage, you have to click on this power button. Click and hold it for a while, and here you will get information about battery level of each batteries. Right now, if you want to recharge them, you can use, for example, this micro USB cable. You can use this cable that is attached to your accessories box with Mavic, or any other cable, for example, from your smartphone or from your headphones. No matter, just simply normal micro USB port. Input it to this input, and the second end you can plug to the charging brick, to your PC, laptop or power bank. As you can see right now, this battery is charging. So we can charge only one battery each time. If you take it off, the next one is going to be charged, and that's how it looks. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.